Hello everybody, welcome to my brand new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete YouTube search and watch history. If you want to delete or clear YouTube search and watch history, you have to use YouTube application. So I'm using YouTube application right now. It's opening. If you come here, you will find such kind of interface. Then I'm going to check my search history. You can see here those are my search history. So right now I'm going to check my watch history. You can find here near the bottom the side library. So click on library. Right now you can see here history. Then click on view all. Alright. Then you can see here those my watch history. So right now I will delete my search history and watch history. So how can I do it? If you come here in this interface, and the top of the right side you can find here your account logo option. So just click on your account logo. Then you can find here your account or Gmail name. Then click on here settings. If you click on here setting, here is the most important. Then click on here manage all history. Right now select that Gmail account which you are using on your YouTube. So I'm using this Gmail account. Right now I'm going to click on it and it's opening. Just wait a second. Then you will find here such kind of interface. Okay, so here is the most important. You can see here delete option. So just click on delete. Right now you can see here three options: delete for today's videos and delete your old time. So I'm going to delete old time. Okay, then click on here at the bottom of the side you can find here delete option. Click on delete. Right now here is the final step. Just click on here got it. Okay, right now everything is done. So I'm going to check it. So after coming here, just refresh it. Then click on search bar. Right now you can see here there is no history. You can see here search history, and if I also click on here watch history, you can see here there is no watch history.